The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for York County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, southeastern James City County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:51 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Jamestown, or over College of William and Mary, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williamsburg, College of William and Mary, Kings Point, York Terrace, Carver Gardens, and Busch Gardens around 3:55 p.m. Newport News and Grove around 4 p.m. Lee Hall around 4:05 p.m. Gloucester Point around 4:15 p.m. Virginia Institute for Marine Sciences, Patrick Henry Field, and Seaford around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tab around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lackey, Chippewa State Park, Water Country U South A, Camp Peary, Oriana, Hilton Village, Dare, Newport News Golf Course, Oyster Point, and Hog Island Game Reserve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for eastern and southeastern Virginia.